still feel like a 27.
You don't feel like you're...
I got stuck in a time loop at 27.
27 is a good time. But you said earlier, you said something about, you architected your life to be wealthy.
No, you may have misunderstood. I never thought of, I never sort of went after money. I don't think about money in that sense. I think now what I'm saying is once you have wealth, you have to think about your life differently. One of the biggest issues is if you have too much money, most likely you won't miss it if some is taken from you. That's very important. Which is in fact the security concerns, and this is the reason I've always been private, and wisely so. As you become known as a philanthropist, or in giving away money, then you become the perfect victim for frauds and identity theft. I realize what I am. I'm very comfortable in my own skin. I'm not a helicopter pilot. What I'm really free to do is I'm free to follow my own personality. So I'm free to accept, I can't make, as we discussed yesterday, I can't be totally wacko in what I do. It affects lots of other people who will get angry at what I do, so because then it affects me again. But on my own island, or on my own ranch, I can think the thoughts I want to think. I can do the work I want to do, and I'm free to explore as I see fit. People would always call me and say, could you come look at my problems? Could you come see my situation? Can you tell me what you think? And I started with Jeffrey Epstein and Company, I think in 1982 or 3 or something like that. And I said I would only take you if you had $1 billion or more.